take a look at the VCR. We see vending machines everywhere, and there are many different types. Flowers and vending machines? Flowers are a must in any romantic relationship. Yes. So now, here's the question, guys. There are many types of vending machines in Korea. We also have a vending machine selling flowers. O or X? You know what? I'm gonna just stop this right now just because I wanna ask. Have you guys seen the vending machine in Korea with flowers in it? 1, 2, 3.
No.
Okay, so write down your answers, guys, and we will see how many O's and how many X's are.
Prince Mac, I trust you.
It doesn't mean
You believe
that...
me, I believe you. I've seen it, really. Prince Mac, thank you.
I'm telling you not to trust him.
Okay,
He's
the
not
rest
your
of
friend, he's
you,
the enemy.
Because of you, brother.
X.
I'll change.
Okay, so...
I think guys should stay together here, please.
Wow. So the viewers are saying right now, O has 60.7% making. X is 39.3.
Now we're gonna see the correct answer. The answer is...
Yes!
What? Yes!
We see vending
We got the
machines
point.
No.
everywhere in
Everywhere.
Korea.
We got the point.
But today's answer is X. We don't have a flower vending machine in Korea yet. These vending machines can be found in countries like France, Japan, and Spain. Everything's fast these days. It's the same for romance.